So I'm just gonna fill in some of the edges, but I'm not going to
say oops, I got 99 problems singing bye bye bye.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess and today we're going to do a video that is related with Nikkietutorials. Recently her brother passed away and she made a video which is called makeup therapy, and a friend of mine did this inspired look for in honor of Nikkietutorials' brother, and Nikkietutorials' brother's name is Mikai, and my friend's name actually is Emmy. And if you guys wanted to check out what she ended up doing her makeup look, just I'm going to link down below the link of her video, and please check out her channel as well. And without any further ado, let's go started. So first of all, I'm going to zoom a little bit in front of my face so that you guys can see a little bit, and I'm going to move this there. It's fine there. And first of all, we're going to use red colors because Nikkietutorials' brother Mikai's favorite color, which is red. So Nikkietutorials used a bunch of red colors in honor of her brother. I'm going to apply some concealer in our eyes. First, we're going to swatch the Paradox. And then now we're going to use a transition color to blend our the edges, because later on we're gonna go elongated the shape of this eyeshadow or our eye look. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution in the Reloaded Iconic Neutrals 2. And I'm going to use, they don't have any names, so I'm going to use this one. And then we're going back to Paradox to build out more of the red one. Now for the inner corner of our eye, we're going to use this one. going to blend the one over here and the edges, and then we're going to add more of paradox in between of the shimmer and our area. Next, it's going to be, we need to line our the edge of our eye. I'm going to use an angle brush, and then we're going to use paradox still. Line my lower lashes too, like right here, like right here. Next is going to try to put some lashes. These ones, these are the keys, and I don't know. I'm going back. I'll be right back. So I'm back with some falsies here. They're not that bad. I'm still learning to put some falsies, and they're not perfect yet, but basically later on in the future I'm going to master this falsies to put them on. So next we're going to fix our face, and I'm going to prime my face. This one, this is the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. My eyebrows. So I'm just gonna fill in some of the edges, but I'm not going to. Next, we're going to apply our foundation. I'm going to use this LA Pro Coverage High Definition. Now we're going to use the No Filter concealer by ColourPop in the shade of medium 30 still, and then we're going to conceal right here. Me Loose Powder by Maybelline. Yeah, contour. We're gonna use this this brush in BH Cosmetics. Now I'm going to put this together. Next, we're going to put some blush. This one, Milani Baked Blush in the Rose Doro. And next, it's gonna be the highlighter. We're still going to use the Master Chrome highlighter of Maybelline, the Molten Gold. Healthy Lip Velvet Finish by Physician Formula. This is in the shade of Fight Free Radicals. And lastly, we're going to spray. We're using this ColourPop Aquamarine Crystal Setting Spray. So we're gonna go spray.